अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम, अम्मा बाद। क़ाल अल्लाहु तआला फ़िल क़ुरआनिल मजीद, इक़रा बिस्मि रब्बिकल्लज़ी ख़लक़। The year is 610. In the date is the 10th of August. The thing might takes a 40 years old man of faith sits in a cave. In seclusion and meditation, an angel visit delivers the master files authority to him. The first word of the message are, Iqra bismi rabbikallazi khalaq. Read the name of your Lord who created. Respectable chief guest and my dear audience, the very first message from Allah was an instruction for humanity to attain education and in the trust transform our religion. Our religion, Islam. My dear friends, I would like to speak over the importance of education. Good and proper education plays a great role in shaping our future and professional career. Respectable chief guest and my dear audience, before we go ahead talking on the importance, let's see what is the definition of education and how far has it influenced our life. In short, education means a positive change in our behavior and thought process. With current educational system, do we witness it is changing our overall behavior as a nation? Do we from any aspect look to be educated and civilized at all? I am sorry to say, never, my dear audience, never. Corruptions, lawlessness, nepotism, injustice have become the order of the day. Innocent and poor people die waiting for justice to come to their rescue. Who are responsible for delaying justice and denying the poor to entertain it? The so-called educated. Visit any office for your legal work and you will find the official publicly demanding bribe for it. Who are they? The so-called educated. Same is the sorry state of affairs in every department and walk of life. My dear audience, the culprits involved behind all this are the highly educated people. Is it what we call education? Is it education in truer sense? What were the degrees of the graces of Arabia, who ruled more than 70% area of the world, whose statecraft and policy are implemented in Western world as a role model? Which education did they get? Who taught them? The greatest of all teachers, who said, I have been sent as a teacher. Did the world ever know their name before they submitted themselves fully to Allah and His Prophet, peace be upon him? What caused them righteous leaders and rulers of the world? Nothing else than Quran and Sunnah. Respected audience, if we wish to see an ideal state here and eternal success, hereafter we will have to implement Quran and Sunnah in our life. Otherwise we will neither be successful here and nor shall we be in the life to come. Dear audience, same is the vision that our Prime Minister wants to see Riyasat-e-Madina through education. Inshallah, 22 years struggle of our Prime Minister to establish Riyasat-e-Madina will be materialized by implementing Quran and Sunnah in our life. Now I would like to end my speech with these words. वो मुअज़्ज़िज़ थे ज़माने में मुसलमान होकर, वो मुअज़्ज़िज़ थे ज़माने में मुसलमान होकर, और हम खार हुए तारिके कुरान होकर। वमा अलैना इल्लल बलाग।